Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create 3 layers video editing using VN Video Editor. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to open up my VN Video Editor on my mobile phone, and then I'm going to create a new project. So I'm going to click on this plus icon, and then I'm going to select a new project. And since we want to edit video, we can choose video based. Okay, and I'm going to add black background to my project. I'm going to go to these tags, and then I'm going to choose this one. Okay, and click on next, and then I'm going to change the ratio. I'm going to go to this option, and for example, I'm going to create a video for Instagram Reels. So I'm going to select this ratio, 9:16. Click on the check mark. Click on the check mark, and you can add videos to this black background. We can go to the PIP, select photos or videos, and you can add the videos you want to create 3 layers video editing. And for me, I'm just going to add video from my download album. I'm going to add this video, and then we can arrange the position like this. Okay, and then I'm going to add more videos. I'm just going to choose wait guys, this one. Okay, and zoom in or zoom out like this, and I'm going to add one more video. I'm gonna choose this one. Okay, and then we can arrange the video. You can arrange it until you're satisfied with how it looks. Okay, like this guys. Wait, I'm just going to adjust it again. Okay, and this is the final result. Okay, and I'm just going to cut the video here. Now all the videos have same duration. Okay, and then once you're ready to save it guys, you can click on this icon, and then you can click on export. But before it, you can choose the resolution. You can choose up to 4K, and then just click on export. Okay guys, and that's all the way to create 3 layers video editing using VN. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.